Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Halfway Through the Week. Today is Wednesday, February 5th of 2020, and here are our morning announcements for today. Boys and girls, just a reminder, our Valentine's Day dance is this Friday coming up at 5:30 till 7 o'clock. It is sponsored by our PTCO. So it is $3 to get into the dance unless you have some unopened school supplies that you'd like to donate. So we will take those as your payment to get into the dance. Kindergarten through second grade students, you need to have your parent there, but if you are a third through fifth grade student, you can come in without your parents as long as they sign you in and sign you out. So pickup is definitely at 7 p.m. on that day. For our February birthdays to announce, so we have one birthday to announce today, so happy birthday to Tristan Burke. Hope you have a great day today, Tristan. And our lunch choices for today is chicken sandwich, fun on the run, and beef and cheese nachos. And our Paws today are brought to us by Mrs. Lake's second grade class. All right, boys and girls, it is time for our pause, and today we have 4 second graders from Mrs. Lake's class to review some pause expectations.
Don't throw balls at people on purpose. Don't push people on the blacktop. When you're out in fourth grade, don't argue. Don't kick people.
Very good, Andrew. Good use of voice there. Mrs. Lake will be proud. Thank you very much, guys. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. All right, boys and girls, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys, and everyone have a great Wednesday. Remember, try your best and do your best on everything that you can do, and make sure that you're showing your paws at all times. Have a great day.